Hi, so a lot of you have been asking me like why did I stop posting videos on how to make money? But I remember making such a video on my main YouTube channel where I talked about the truth about this type of apps or websites about making money. Okay, so like the truth is right now when you go on YouTube and you search for how to make money online, you're going to find a lot of videos saying how you can make $1,000 in one day, how you can make 10,000 in 30 days, how you can do this and do this, how you can make money for free, how you can install this app and make money, creating an account, this money gives you this and this. But the truth is, okay, for the past 5 years, like I've been really exploring a lot of money making methods, and I've actually tried all those type of videos. So if you, at any time of your life you've actually searched for those videos and you actually tried the method and did not work for you, well, you're not alone. I've actually tried them as well and they did not work at all. So here's one thing you should know is that when it comes to these money making apps and websites, is that these apps and websites, they're actually in business. So the truth is they're not there to help you make money, they're simply there to make money out of you. So the more people visit those websites, the more money they make from ads or even affiliate marketing. But you yourself, who is doing the hard work, end up making this. So when it comes to these websites, like you can invest all your time and effort, for example an entire day working on those stuff, and the money you actually make is not worth it. Like how can you spend an entire day and fail to make less than $1? So that's really bad. Like if you are poor, but spending an entire day failing to make $1 is just very much bad and it's not fair. Okay, yeah, but in the past I have shared quite a few of money making apps and websites. Yes, some did work and they still work up to now, but they're not really worth it because the time you actually have to invest in is a lot, and what you get from there is not worth it. Okay, so the other thing I stopped posting videos on money making websites and apps is that there are a lot of fake websites coming up each and every day. Okay, and the thing is that these apps, when they come, like, or even the same websites, like they may appear ready to be paying, but after some time they disappear, and I do not want to ruin my reputation, because why would I promote something which is fake, which is something which can run away with people's money? By the way, I don't promote like get rich quick schemes, those which require like investing money and any percentage. What I do is only promote something of which I know that what I'm supposed to do is do real work without investing anything, and you get paid. And there are quite of good examples of those type of videos on my main channel, which actually pay you to do tasks, not tasks of liking Facebook pages, but real work. Okay, so you can check them out on my main YouTube channel. Even on this channel as well, I do have those type of videos. You can check them out, which are legit. But here is one thing, from now on, like, okay, but if I do find a legit website or a legit application that is paying good money to do certain stuff, well, there's nothing which can prevent me from making a video. I am going to make a video about it. So these days, the reason why I'm not making videos on money making websites is because there is not any reliable website I can actually recommend for you to try out and try to make money. Yeah, but otherwise, if you do know some apps or websites that are actually paying to do tasks, okay, without investing, feel free to recommend me, and I can review them. I can probably make a video about them and we can both benefit. Yeah, but otherwise this channel is based about money making. Okay, so if you're a Zambian, you definitely have to subscribe to this channel, because on this channel I only post working stuff you can rely on. You also do review stuff so that you don't have to get into something you don't know. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now, see you in the next video tomorrow. This is Keith Renz, and this is my second YouTube channel called Keith Zambia.